Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. This is Mimi Guapa. Today I will be reading another poem that I have written, and this one is entitled Embracing Mimi. I embrace me, all my flaws and fallibility, that fats in my belly, that warts in so many parts of my body. I embrace me, the crooked smile whenever in glee, the hoarse voice elicited unknowingly, that double chin I cannot hide away. I embrace me, all my weakness and insecurity, of using the English language proficiently, of conversing with people simultaneously. I embrace me, as I shed off the mask of ingenuity and accept all of my inability, taking the leap to be genuinely happy. Embracing Mimi, written and performed by Mimi Guapa. Thank you for watching. I hope you watch some of my videos and look out for more ones coming.